So you want to scrape off the white matter, cut the ends, and this is basically what we call bacon or banana bacon. And then go ahead and put that there. I'm going to go ahead and scrape some more of this. And then we're going to cut the ends. And here we go. This is what we call banana vegan bacon for eating plant-based, nutritious foods. All right, cut. Okay, you got it?
Yeah, cut. Did you say cut?
I said, all right, so the first thing you want to do is you want 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. 1, 2, and you want to add that to your banana bacon peel. And then you want to get some maple flavored or 100% organic maple syrup. You want to go ahead and add 1 and add just a little bit more because I want that mapley nutty flavor. And then you're going to go ahead and add some seasoning, which is garlic salt, a little bit of that, and paprika. This is smoked. And you're going to just go ahead and lightly whip that, and then go ahead and put this on there, which is salt and pepper. And you're going to go ahead and let this marinate for about 10 to 20 minutes and cut.
Banana bacon. Tastes kind of like bacon. It's actually pretty good.